was something that was totally unexpected, and to be a person following in the footsteps of not just Dave Gibson, but all of the winners before me was an honor that I certainly didn't expect, but very much treasure. As a young lawyer, I aspired to be Dave Gibson. He was smart. He was very funny. He liked people. He didn't mind speaking and being nice to young lawyers who knew nothing. And he was wonderful in the courtroom. And no one was as smooth, as articulate as David was in the courtroom. He was someone to be reckoned with, but always honorable. As a recipient of this award, it's something that I think about quite often, because there are times that I'm tempted not to be quite as professional as Dave always was. And as a recipient of this award, I think it heightens my alertness to try to, even at this point, emulate David. David Gibson was who he was. He was the same in the courtroom as he was out of the courtroom. He was kind, he was gentle, he was intelligent, he was terrific. And for those of you who never got to meet him, I'm sorry, because there's never going to be another David Gibson.